Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying game files and updating core runtime components. This fixes corruption and missing DLLs. Use the launcher or Steam's Verify Integrity option because corrupted archives cause crashes. Once done, install or update Visual C++ and DirectX. These provide needed libraries. At the same time, update your GPU driver to the manufacturer's latest WHQL build and reboot. Drivers resolve GPU crashes and performance drops. Do these first so the rest of fixes stack reliably and prevent wasted troubleshooting. Next, you change runtime privileges and reset configurations to eliminate bad settings. Run the exe as administrator, and if crashes persist, enable compatibility mode for older Windows builds. This often resolves API mismatches. Then lower in-game settings, drop resolution and advanced shadows to cut stress on GPU. Make sure to disable widescreen mods if unstable. If instability continues, rename or delete settings. CFG in the user documents folder so the game creates a clean config. These steps remove corrupt configs and reduce variables causing crashes. Finally, you isolate external causes and, if needed, reinstall cleanly to eliminate persistent faults. Start by disabling every mod and third-party trainer. Many crashes stem from incompatible mods. If vanilla runs, reintroduce mods one by one to find the culprit. If not, do a clean reinstall. Uninstall, delete leftover game folders and saved configs, then reinstall. As a last step, open Event Viewer and note error codes or module names. This gives you precise clues for targeted fixes, so you can search or ask for help with exact details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.